If you're experiencing pending transfers on Gmail, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Step 2. Verify transfer details. Double-check the details of the transfer, including the recipient's email address and the amount. Any errors can lead to pending status. Step 3. Refresh your Gmail. Log out of your Gmail account and log back in. This can refresh the application and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the pending status. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If you're using Gmail on a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be affecting the transfer process. Step 5. Contact support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Gmail effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.